Okay, strategic representation. So, yung strategic representation, the strategic misrepresentation, mali. Okay, strategic misrepresentation, sorry. Yung strategic misrepresentation policy sa project management, yun yung pag-distort o pagdoktor, falsification ng project information. Ayan, nangyayari ngayon yan. Sa flood control, yung may patong, strategic misrepresentation pala ang tawag dyan, in order to gain approval from the for the government organizations. Para ma-approvean ka, kailangan gumamit ka ng strategic misrepresentation policy in project management. So, dyan magagaling ang mga Pilipino. Dyan magaling sa mga ganyan. So, yung pala tawag dyan, strategic misrepresentation. So, yun lang po.